Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and then comment down below and let me know what you think about this situation. Now this couple here is one of the most peaceful celebrity couples that we have in South Africa. Since they got married, they've always kept everything of their years under wraps. Not that they were not posting each other, they were not posting on social media, but there was no drama involving their lives as far as I can remember. It's like a Nandi and Zex kind of marriage. Yes, we've seen things about them on social media, but it's always to do with their son. But there was never a rumor about him cheating or her cheating or them divorcing or whatever until last year when rumors started coming out and people were saying that, or rather reports were saying that they are divorcing. Pumeza asked for a divorce because Shota allegedly cheated, and now they were heading to Divorceville and she didn't want to hear anything and basically wanted them to split things that they accumulated together in half. And these were reports on Sunday World, by the way, and then all the other news outlets started running with the story. It became very big actually last year, I think September or October, I can't remember. But the couple never actually went out and confirmed the rumors. And recently I saw Pumeza wearing her ring, meaning they're still together. I think it's a recent picture from the beginning of Jan, meaning they're still married, but people are still saying that they're not married or they are in like the process of divorce, and they're blaming Black Coffee for it. They're saying it's Black Coffee's fault for taking Shota to Ibiza. Because there's never been rumors before, Shota went to Ibiza and started hanging around white girls, the kind that Black Coffee is always around. And now suddenly there's rumors of cheating, there's rumors of him divorcing, something that has never happened before. Him and Black Coffee have been friends for years. But Shota has never been rumored cheating or allegations of divorce or anything like that until they went to Ibiza. Or at least they were pictured in Ibiza, because maybe they've gone before but they were not pictured. Someone on Twitter said, my goat, Black Coffee, took Shota to groove with white baddies in Ibiza wafika wamfundisa ubufebe nabelungu. Now they are both getting divorced by their wives. It wasn't long before people started commenting and agreeing with him. You know, Twitter people, they will always go for something like, someone said he taught him his ways with just one hand, and another person said it comes with the territory because he also lost his hand the moment he started DJing. Some dumb person said that they have upgraded because white girls is where it's at. I don't understand this thing that black men mostly have with white girls when they like keeping saying that white girls are where it's at. White girls are better than black girls, and this is all mostly always men that have made it, that were dating black girls before they made it. But then now suddenly white girls are better than any black girl they've ever been with. I don't know where that comes from. Honestly, I feel like it's just hate towards their black women. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. I really hope it's not true, because you see Abo Pumeza and Shota, Abo Salamina and Hausa, Abo Nandi Madida, and them, those are the couples in the public figures world that make marriage look like it's possible, basically, because they are treated well and they treat their spouses, they treat each other well. Not because they're staying out of money in toxic situations, but because it looks like they really are in love and they really respect each other. So I hope this is not true. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Did Black Coffee really faga something nyana to cause Shota to allegedly cheat? Is it even possible after all these years of them hanging out together, and then now suddenly he is the one or the reason he cheated?